My name's Kenny Reaume. I've been a machinist at Mainstream for the last 18 years. I started in November of 2000. One of my dad's buddies, who I didn't even know at the time, showed me a nut and bolt and told me that, he had made this thing on a machine, and he was taking this class at the local college, and that I should really come by and check it out if I had any interest in this. And at the time I had no idea something like that was possible, just thought like these things just were there, I didn't know that there was actually like a process for being able to make these by hand. As a machinist, we fabricate parts out of different types of plastics, metals, such as aluminum, stainless steels, polycarbonate, pretty much anything you can think of. I feel like the last 18 years that I've been here have been incredible. Every day is different. I never wake up not looking forward to coming into work. I actually look forward to coming into work because it not only, piques my interest constantly, it also kind of helps me be more creative in my personal life and everyday life because I see things differently. I enjoy the parts that we make. You learn so much from each individual one that you build your knowledge base even further, and it's the best thing I've ever done, and I can't get enough of it, and I hope to be here for a lot longer because of it, It was awesome. It's sweet. It really is sweet.